Hey there kids, this is Math Recovery, and right above this video you will see a black button that has the worksheet on it. I'm going to do the first 3 problems on the worksheet, and you should practice 3 or 4 problems each night. The answer key is attached. When you think you know how to do it, you can come see me and test out. If you can do it, I'll give you a lemon drop, okay? Well, today's division is a little bit different than in the last section, in that in every answer there's going to be a 0 in the quotient up here somehow. And let's look at how that happens, okay? I sometimes put more than 1 0, and we'll talk about that, okay? So first we start off by saying, can 6 go into 3? Okay? And if you had a car that had 3 seats to it, how many groups of 6 could you fit in there? Well, the answer is you could put 0 groups of 6 in there. Now this 0 doesn't really need to be there, but I put it there as a placeholder just so I keep all my numbers lined up correctly. Then I could say, well, 0 times 6 is 0, subtract, and I get a 36. But that's kind of unnecessary, because we can just look right here and there's 3 and 6, that makes 36. So now you want to imagine that you have a bus and there are 36 seats on the bus. How many groups of 6 could you fit onto that bus? Well, you could fit 1 group, you could fit 2 groups of 6, that would be 12. 3 would be 18 people, 4 would be 24, 5 would be 30, but 6 would be 36, wouldn't it? Because if we put 6 groups of 6 people on the bus, we would take up 36 of the seats. Okay? Now remember that we have these 4 steps right here. We have divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay? Well, when I said how many times does 6 go into 36, that was dividing. And I said it went in 6 times. Then I multiplied. Multiply. 6 times 6, that's 36. Now I'm going to subtract. 36 minus 36, that equals 0. And now I'm going to bring down this 3. Bring down a 3. And whenever you bring something down, you have to start back over again and you have to divide, okay? So now we say to ourselves, I have a car and it has 3 seats. How many groups of 6 can I fit into a car with 3 seats? We can fit in 0 groups of 6, okay? So what we just did is we just divided. Okay, we said 0 groups of 6 can fit into a car with 3 seats. Now we're going to multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. Now we're going to subtract. 3 minus 0, that's 3. And is there anything else to bring down over here? No. So we just subtracted, there's nothing to bring down, and the problem is over. Our quotient becomes 60 with this remaining 3 right here. So 60, remainder 3. Okay, and that's the end of the problem. Okay, so it's just like before, but a lot of kids want to stop when they realize that 6 can't go into 3, and they want to call it 6 remainder 3. But remember, you have to, whenever you bring something down, you have to divide one more time. And we said that 6 goes into 3 0 times, and that's where we got that 0 from. This 0 right here you don't really need to have, but this one over here you do. Okay, go ahead and try some on your own. Remember that practice makes perfect. When you know how to do it, let me know and we'll test you out and give you a lemon drop if you can do it. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.